We chose Preece as the winner because I thought it displayed an excellent level of craftsmanship. I think the way they've retained and celebrated a really nice historic feature in the timbers means it's a place where people will enjoy being and love living ultimately, and that is what a great building should do.
The standout features of this project are things like the roof trusses, original features which no doubt have undergone a huge amount of restoration, working them into the structural package, done so sympathetically without losing any of their character.
We chose Preece & Son Carpentry Limited as the winner because they had done a fantastic job in renovating and refurbishing and making an adaptive reuse of a historic building. It showed that they have honed that craft over a considerable amount of years, and it was brought to fore in this project.